Welcome to OrthoAxis, where you can find everything orthopedic in one easy location. From products and product reps, to the forum, where you can collaborate with colleagues and archive cases. Explore resources and job listings, or find events in your specialty. Creating your free account is easy. Enter your information under Get Started Now or click Login. Here, you can select an account type. Enter your name, email address, and create a password. And rest assured, we will never share your personal information. Next, you'll need to select your role. Physicians and residents will also need to enter their national physician number. If you don't know it, you can look it up with the link to the NPI registry search. Next, select Create an Account. You will receive a welcome email with a link to confirm your account. If you'd like more help, click the question mark icon next to Create an Account. This will open instructions that will take you step by step through the account creation process. Visit us at www.doortoaxis.com to see how OrthoAxis can simplify your orthopedic life.